Hi, welcome to Woolbuddy, and today we are going to celebrate Valentine's Day. So let's make a heart. So first thing, you want to organize your material. So it's a heart, and I usually make that fold this into a little triangle, and then just poke the fiber down. Then I can push this in to really get to the heart shape. Right.
Can you hold it up?
So it kind of get in there, but it's not done yet. Okay, so if I want all the surfaces smooth, and I can put a very thin layer to refine this. So like here, still kind of rough, and then I can push those down. And then always good to use a finger to move them around. See, I keep poking this area to create a dip. Okay, now you have it. Then we can do, so make it more character, right? Okay, and then this. And also the mouth. Okay, there you have it.